Now guys, the only thing I am remaining with, let me set my camera into position, is to install these things. Yeah, before I install them, let me put this inside here. I have already installed all the things in the fridge. Not all, I'm only remaining with this, but I'm going to install them with you guys. But as you can see, our fridge, oh my, I just love it. Good afternoon, good evening, according to the time you're watching this video. I hope you're doing good, because for me here, I'm doing fantastic. Anyway guys, let me take this opportunity to welcome you back to my YouTube channel. And if you are new here, feel most welcome, because this is where love, live and fun is always found. And so guys, hit that subscribe button to support this amazing soul, and God will bless you, God will uplift you, God will make ways for you, and He will expand all your territories. Anyway, are you ready for that? Because if you have subscribed, then expect the best. Anyway guys, thank you so much for coming and tuning in to my YouTube channel for more and more interesting videos, because in this channel I got you guys. I drop a video every day, and these videos are all about my life. Very simple, no edits, no anything, just life, guys, some of you do ask me how I am able to be consistent, guys, and I told you, everything that I do in a daily basis, I have to record it and do it as a content, and that helps me, at least getting a daily videos. Being a content creator is not easy, of course, because you may be wondering, today I did this, okay, what do I do tomorrow? What will be for the next day? But guys, in this channel, Josie got you, because she will drop video after video, and those videos are just amazing and are just a vibe. Okay, so guys, today I am here back with another interesting video, because I am ready to wash my fridge. At least God has blessed me with a small fridge here, and today I thought of, okay, it has been long since I did some cleaning on this fridge. Of course, I think even it doesn't have so many things, so I'm just going to remove the things that are inside there, and then I'm gonna clean it, and then maybe when God blesses me more, I'm gonna, restock it back. Guys, let me take this opportunity also to thank anyone who subscribe to my YouTube channel, because you guys are just amazing. You support me, you watch my videos, you like, there are those who comment. Thank you so much. I'm not only interested in those who comment. I know there are those silent watchers. They watch your video, they love it, and they just, okay, she's doing good. Anyway guys, keep that spirit, because we are a road to 1,000 subscribers. And if you can't support me, guys, then who are you ready to support? Of course, I'm here for your support, and let me hope you support until we hit that 1,000 subscriber. And another fan was telling me that she is here to witness that we are at 50,000 subscribers. I'm so glad that there are those people who are really praying for the goodness of this channel. Anyway guys, I'm gonna wash my fridge, so let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. Come with me. Yeah, hit the subscribe button, like the video. Mwah. See you. Yeah, so guys, to start with, I have to remove all these items here on my fridge. So this is the electricity or whatever. We have to remove it. I have an amazing calendar also that I have kept here on my fridge. Yeah, so let me remove these things. Oh my. Let me carry one by one so that they will not fall. Yeah. So guys, so I also come inside and remove whatever is inside this fridge. Up here, I don't think I have anything. I had put some, I wanted to make some ice cubes. Yeah. I also have to switch off my fridge. Disconnected. So let me switch it off. Then I'm gonna turn it. Yeah. I'm gonna turn it and remove the items inside here. I'm not yet restocked my fridge, so it only had these things. So guys, yeah, if you are able to see, this is how my fridge looks like inside. You may think it's clean, but it's not. But now, to begin with, let me tell you guys, to begin with, I have to remove all the things like this. Yeah. I hope I'm recording. Yeah, it's capturing. So I have to remove all this. I have some items. Oh my. Let me show you. So these are mine are glasses. So anytime they fall down, I might not get others like those. So let us remove them. Mama, go play. Okay. Yeah, so I have to remove all this. Get out of that place, Mama. Then I also have to remove these things. Yeah. Yeah, we remove this. You see, it's even dirty. I don't know whether you are able to see. Yeah, so we remove this. We also remove this one. Yeah. You see, we also remove this. So I have a lot of items that I have to clean. I also remove these ones. You see this? Yeah. And now our fridge is ready, and this way it's easier to clean. So guys, what I'm gonna do is that I'm not going to clean my fridge from my tap, because my tap is directly there. But what I'm going to do is that with me here, I have some 2 buckets. Let me show you. Yeah. So I have the 2 buckets here, whereby I will be washing from this, then I will be rinsing from here. Yeah. So that's the only thing I want to do. And now guys, someone told me that that when cleaning a fridge, I shouldn't use a solid soap. But guys, that's what I normally use. But next time, if I remember, I will buy a liquid one, because of some reasons. That person told me that when you use a solid, let me show the solid that I normally use. This is what I normally use to clean my fridge, but someone told me that it is not advisable. But I don't know why, because I have been using it. But for now, because I don't have any liquid, the only liquid that I have in this home, it's this one, and this is a hand wash. So I don't think if it is right to use a hand wash on this, of which I'm not going to use. Yeah. Then, so for me, let me use this one, because this one is not yet open. So I'm going to start by cleaning. Which should I start with? Let me start by the inside of the fridge. I have forgotten to remove this glass, and I was wondering, these glasses are always 3. Why are they 2? Yeah. So there's it. So let me start cleaning by the inside of the fridge, And then later, I'm gonna do these ones. Or which one should I start with? Should I start with this? No. So guys, this is how I'm gonna do it. Just come with me. Let me put that soap there. So I have to tilt my camera so that at least you can be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so I'm gonna transfer some water here. And now guys, let's clean our fridge. Scrubbing it so well, and now I have a certain towel here. This towel is the one that I'm going to use to dry it, because I don't have to pour water, so I'm gonna use different clean water to rinse it. We rinse it until we find it clean. Guys, after using that water, washing and rinsing from inside and outside, so we are going also to use another water with our clean kitamba. Then we do the same thing we have been doing for final rinse. So guys, we are done with the upper part and the lower part. You see this door is not closing because we have removed these ones, yeah. But the moment we return them back, it will be okay. Now, after cleaning that, we take a dry towel. Let me take it. Here is our dry towel. So I'm going to use it to dry our fridge. So guys, as you can see, this is the inside of our fridge after cleaning it. I'm telling you, the fridge is sparkling clean. Hey, you would think that it have been bought today. Oh my goodness, you see, it's clean and now dry. Oh my goodness, can you see that? Can you see? I just love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it, and I hope you also love it. If you love it, hit that subscribe button. Don't matter the size of the fridge. The thing is that our fridge is clean and dry. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do, I'm also going to wash this. Yeah, we have these items, plus I will wash these sides. Yeah, the sides of the fridge. Remember, we have already cleaned the outside of the front. Yeah, and now guys, let us do this. Let us clean these things together. Okay, if you like this video, just like it. If you love it, like it, give me a comment down there. And guys, do not forget to subscribe and also to share with your friends so that they may see this amazing job that I am doing here. And now let us start by washing these items here. Let me place them down here so that it will be easier for me to clean them. So I'll be cleaning them inside this bucket as I rinse them inside here. Yeah. We also have these things. Let me put them down here. And to begin with, I'm going to begin with these glasses because I don't want them to break at any point. So I take my soap and I start the work. So guys, let's do this. Hit that subscribe button. And now guys, our fridge is clean. Yeah, every part of my fridge is clean. And now allow me to clean the fridge area, though it isn't that dirty. Just allow me to clean it. Yeah, so our fridge area also is clean, as our fridge is also clean. So let me put it this way first so that I can take it back to its normal. Yeah, so that is the position of our fridge. And now I'm going to install everything back to its position. Yeah. Starting from this. These are our glasses, our whatever. And I'm going also to dry them. So I have my dry towel here. I start with these things. So let's go. I have already installed all the things in the fridge. Not all. I'm only remaining with this, but I'm going to install them with you guys. But as you can see, our fridge, oh my, I just love it. Just look at it. The cleanliness in that fridge. It looks so clean. Even when you're storing your items there, you're just comfortable with it. Just see. Oh my. It looks so clean. Yeah, I think you can see it, guys. It's clean, it's tidy, it's just perfect. So let's now install this. Now guys, the only thing I am remaining with, let me set my camera in position, is to install these things. Yeah, before I install them, let me put this inside here. Yeah, so these are the only things that I'm remaining to install. They normally give me a hectic time because installing them is not also easy. So let me dry them up first. Yeah, so I don't know how. These things are sometimes hectic. Oh, I have installed the wrong way. So after installing them, you should ensure that your doors are locking as possible, the way they are supposed. Yeah, so that one have installed in a good manner. Let us now do the other one. Angie, sauti punguza. Yeah, so let us also install this one. Just try and see whether it will look. It's wow. So guys, let me show you our whole fridge after cleaning it. Yeah, let me connect it. Let me show you the final product. So guys, as you can see, our fridge is back to its position. It's so clean. Just look, this is the inside. Yeah, it looks so clean, so dope. Yeah, you can see. Yeah, so the only thing that I want is God to bless me with some money, and I will make some some things to get inside here. You see, our fridge looks amazing. Yeah, you see, every corner of the fridge, every side looks so amazing. Imagine that good work that I have done for the day. My fridge is clean. Oh, guys, I'm much grateful. Whew. Anyway, guys, your girl is here and she's happy that her fridge looks amazing. The size of the fridge doesn't matter so long as I have a fridge. But anyway, let me take this opportunity to thank you guys for coming through for me, watching this amazing video, cleaning video. And guys, let me tell you, cleaning this fridge, I have really enjoyed the moment because every detail that I was doing, I loved it. Yeah, I know maybe you have learned something new, maybe you have learned whatever you didn't know, but let me take this opportunity to thank you and to ask God to bless you for me. Anyway, guys, let's meet in our next one, and I love you so much. Do not forget to do heart to hit that subscribe button. Also, like the video and give me your thoughts. Bye.